Hey, Sharon Durbin Graves Art here, coming to you from the Community Art Center in Vevay, Indiana. We are having a great day in here. Had a lot of visitors so far today. It's Tuesday. And in the art center here, we all volunteer to keep the place open, keep the doors open. And today I'm volunteering, and I just wanted to say hello. Hopefully you're going to come in here sometime and visit with us. We are in Vevay, Indiana, and we're right here on the corner by the stoplight. And there's not too many stoplights. So come on in and visit us sometime. We have about 45 different artists in here, and we are all regional people. I am probably one of the furthest away, and I live 38 miles. So there's about 45 of us in here, and we're all very close located in. So it's hard to believe that there's this much super duper artists in such a close area, but there we are. This Saturday is the art walk, and there will be lots and lots of artists in here and out on the street demonstrating how to do a lot of different types of art. We're going to have pottery, we're going to have some fusion glass, we're going to have some stained glass. I think we'll probably have a wood turner or two, and I know that there will be several painters here, and we'll be demonstrating different types of painting. So please join us, and I'm so glad you're here today. Thank you so much. Have a great day.